Like and subscribe to Desi Engine. Click the bell button to receive the latest video.
Hello friends, let's learn about daily use words today. Daily use words उसका मतलब है हर रोज़ इस्तेमाल होने वाले शब्द. The first word in our list is key. It is spelled as K-E-Y. Key. इसका मतलब है कुंजी. Say it again. Key. The next word is book. It is spelled as B-O-O-K. Book. इसका मतलब है किताब. Say it again. Book. The next word is glass and it is spelled as G-L-A-S. Glass. इसका मतलब है शीशा. Say it again. Glass. The next word is watch and it is spelled as W-A-T-C-H. Watch. इसका मतलब है घड़ी. Say it again. Watch. The next word is bread and it is spelled as B-R-E-A-D. Bread. इसका मतलब है रोटी. Say it again with me. Bread. The next word is chair and it is spelled as C-H-A-I-R. Chair. इसका मतलब है कुर्सी. Say it again with me. Chair. The next word is spoon and it is spelled as S-P-O-O-N. Spoon. इसका मतलब है चम्मच. Say it again with me. Spoon. The next word is lintel and it is spelled as L-I-N-T-E-L. Lintel. इसका मतलब है दाल. Say it again with me. Lintel. The next word is soap and it is spelled as S-O-A-P. Soap. इसका मतलब है साबुन. Say it again with me. Soap. Let's do the next set of words. The first word is bridge. It is spelled as B-R-I-D-G-E. Bridge. इसका मतलब है पुल. Repeat it after me. Bridge. The next word is rat and it is spelled as R-A-T. Rat. इसका मतलब है चूहा. Repeat it again. Rat. The next word is knife and it is spelled as K-N-I-F-E. Knife. इसका मतलब है चाकू. Say it again. Knife. The next word is tap and it is spelled as T-A-P. Tap. इसका मतलब है नल. Say it again. Tap. The next word is roof and it is spelled as R O O F. Roof. इसका मतलब है छत. Say it again with me. Roof. The next word is ball and it is spelled as B A L L. Ball. इसका मतलब है गेंद. Say it again. Ball. The next word is sun and it is spelled as S U N. Sun. इसका मतलब है सूरज. Say it again with me. Sun. The next word is moon and it is spelled as M O O N. Moon. इसका मतलब है चांद. Say it again with me. Moon. The next word is earth and it is spelled as E A R T H. Earth. इसका मतलब है पृथ्वी. Say it again with me. Earth. Let's come to the next set of words. Shoes. It is spelled as S H O E S. Shoes. इसका मतलब है जूते. Say it again with me. Shoes. The next word is brush and it is spelled as B R U S H. Brush. इसका मतलब है brush. Say it again with me. Brush. The next word is mirror and it is spelled as M I R O O R. Mirror. इसका मतलब है शीशा. Say it again with me. Mirror. The next word is fan and it is spelled as F A N. Fan. इसका मतलब है पंखा. Say it again with me. Fan. The next word is water and it is spelled as W A T E R. Water. इसका मतलब है पानी. Say it again with me. Water. The next word is oven and it is spelled as O V E N. Oven. इसका मतलब है चूल्हा. Say it again with me. Oven. The next word is quiet and it is spelled as Q U I E T. Quiet. इसका मतलब है चुप. Say it again with me. Quiet. The next word is oval and it is spelled as O V A L. Oval. इसका मतलब है मैदान. Say it again. Oval. The next word is noise and it is spelled as N O I S E noise. इसका मतलब है शोर. Say it again. Noise. Let's do the next set of words. Clothes. It is spelled as C L O T H E S. Clothes. इसका मतलब है कपड़े. Say it again with me. Clothes. The next word is socks. It is spelled as S O C K S. Socks. इसका मतलब है मोजे. Say the word again. Socks. Next word is bad, and it is spelled as B A D. Bad. इसका मतलब है बुरा. Say it again. Bad. The next word is good, and it is spelled as G O O D. Good. इसका मतलब है अच्छा. Say it again. Good. Let's come to the next word. It is bag, and it is spelled as B A G. Bag. इसका मतलब है थैला. Say it again. Bag. The next word is run, and it is spelled as R U N. Run. इसका मतलब है दौड़ना. Say it again. Run. The next word is hammer, and it is spelled as H A M M E R. Hammer. इसका मतलब है हथौड़ा. Say the word again with me. Hammer. The next word is toy, and it is spelled as T O Y. Toy. इसका मतलब है खिलौना. Say the word again with me. Toy. The last word. It is lady. It is spelled as L A D Y. Lady. इसका मतलब है औरत. Say the word again with me. Lady. So today we learned a lot of words. In the next session we will learn other few words. Meet you again in the next class.